If you're wondering how you can zoom with the camera control button on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, you will find the option of Camera Control. Just tap on it, then enable the Camera Control button from here. Now you can customize the press force of the Camera Control button from here, and after you have done that, then go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Camera, and under System Settings, just tap on Camera Control, and from here under the Launch Camera section, just tap on this area. And if it is on none or on any other option, just select Camera. After you've done that, then go back. Now finally, under the Control section, just enable Camera Adjustment. And after you've done that, you will be able to use the camera button to zoom in or zoom out in the camera app. Now let's quickly go to the home screen and let's open the camera app. Now to zoom in or zoom out using the camera control button, just double press the camera control button slightly until you open this menu. Now just swipe to the right or to the left side and select zoom. After you select zoom, you will be able to swipe on the camera control button to zoom in or zoom out. Just like that. And this is how you can zoom with the camera control button on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.